Remove these 6 screws to begin the process of accessing the components and control panel. Remove the last screw, then slide the detergent drawer out to allow for top trim removal. Lift the top trim off of the machine. Slide the top cover towards the rear of the unit, then lift it off of the washer cabinet. Remove these 4 screws, securing the control panel assembly to the frame of the machine. Remove the last screw, then slide the detergent drawer completely outward. Press the lock lever down to pass the stop and remove the drawer from the machine. This reveals the last screw holding the control panel in place. Remove this screw. Double check that power to the appliance is disconnected. Never repair or replace any main control board while live voltage is present to the appliance. Now release the tabs across the top of the control panel and fold it down. The board is held into the escutcheon by several tabs and Phillips screws indicated here. A closer look reveals low voltage connections on the left side and several line voltage connections to the right side. Consult the schematic in the mini manual to utilize these connections by testing components at the board before physically tearing down the appliance. Once disconnected, place the control panel on a clean, dry surface. Release the board from the escutcheon as described previously. Flip the board over to inspect and service the push-button systems. Begin lifting the button systems out one by one and note each one's location. There are no fasteners, rather each button system is held on with molded locking tabs and struts. Notice the thin rails with locking tabs and struts that secure each button system. This concludes this training video.